Have you ever been locked out of your house or your apartment or your hotel room? Did it make you feel somewhat anxious, embarrassed, or even frustrated? Well, lockouts are just one of the problems with the existing access control systems currently available in the marketplace. Existing access control is also insecure, inconvenient, and expensive. Here are some photographs, for example, taken on one of the biggest university campuses in the USA, where we spent 3 months last year in an accelerator program, and this is happening in thousands of doors across campus, and they're keeping the doors open with rubbish bins and dusters and bits of wood because the mag stripe system is failing, because when you hold your mag stripe next to a mobile phone, it can demagnetize it. And metal keys, anybody can now watch a YouTube video and learn how to bump, crack, or snap open a lock, and you can take a photograph and take it to the locksmith and give yourself unauthorized access at any future date and time. So, lockouts, is this really a big problem? Well, Hilton Hotels think so. They've just recently announced a $550 million rollout of digital key systems in all 680,000 of their rooms by the end of next year. Apple, perhaps you've heard of this company before. They've also announced a partnership with Starwood Hotels to begin rolling out digital keys in all of their hotel rooms as well. And only last week, you're able to buy now a smart lock in the Apple store in the US. Kwikset, one of the leading lock manufacturers on the planet, they've been moving 30,000 smart locks a month since the start of this year. And the mobile phone companies and the telcos are also getting into this space. All of them have been doing trials or delivering digital key solutions to hotel groups. And the world's #1 lock manufacturer have also announced partnerships with some of these companies and others. So our company, LEAPIN Digital Keys, has delivered a solution. Using your phone, you can unlock and lock doors. And you can also use your phone as an access control system to set, send, receive, and revoke time-sensitive digital keys and email and SMS them to anybody at any time. So how do we compete, though, with all those massive companies that we just had up on the board there? Well, we've got IP in the space with a priority date of February 2011 and a clean international search report. We're already selling one of the versions of our solutions out there to hotels and resorts in the Australian community. And we're talking to a lot of the competitors of the companies I just showed you before. But our business model is not about competing with these companies. It's about joining them. And it's joining them on a licensing model. So we're very close to now finalizing a number of deals. We've completed feasibility projects paid for by lock manufacturers, and we've signed a number of NDAs with some of those competing companies. So where does LEAPIN come into the picture? We've got lots of hardware in your hotel. Smart TVs now are coming out from all the telcos. They're also putting in the Wi-Fi. Thermostats are getting upsold at the same time. Lights as well. And then there's locks. So these are all interfacing together to the smart TV hub and being controlled by the apps on your phone and the software on your phone. And this is where LEAPIN comes in. We're the red line. We're the interfaces between the locks, between the apps, between the hotel property management systems, between the hotel's channel managers, which leads to an online travel agency. So we enable you to make a web check-in to your hotel room or a smartphone self-check-in in under 15 seconds, and you can open your door with your phone. So why isn't anyone else doing this? Because lock manufacturers are exactly that. They're lock manufacturers. So we've established a team of some of the best IT minds in Australia. Greg has already taken a startup to a sale before. And we've got our industry experts. The former president of the biggest architectural supply company joined our team a couple of years ago. From the US Accelerator, our former CIO of Adobe, and also an experienced engineer that used to work in Apple in the 80s. And these guys have been setting us up with all those competitors that we showed you before. So here it is again, the slide. So we're looking at a strategic sale to any of these guys and any of their competitors. So if you're interested in improving the travel experience, improving your lifestyle, improving security, and improving the sharing economy, come and talk to us. Thank you.